Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Expert Option Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Expert Option Trading app on your device. And once you are taken into the trading page, in order to log into your existing account, tap on the Register Now button at the top section. This will then take you into the registration page where you can create a new account. Now within the top section, tap on Login. And you can now use either your Facebook or Google account if you used these to create your account in the first place. If you used your email address, then just type in this email address within the given box and then enter your account password underneath. You can then tap on the login button and you will be logged into your existing Expert Option Trading account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password button within the login screen to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Expert Option Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.